Sometimes in Excel it's desirable to hide certain rows and columns. Perhaps I don't want to print certain rows in certain columns, or perhaps I don't want people to see what's in certain rows and columns and accidentally change data. For example, I might decide to hide columns C, D and E. If I select columns C, D and E, I could then right-click and choose Hide, and those columns have now been hidden. This is indicated by the column lettering go from A, B, F and G. If I want to unhide those columns, I'll select the two columns either side. So I'll select B and F, I'll right-click on a column letter, and I'll choose Unhide. If I want to hide certain rows, I'll select rows 10 to 15, right-click one of the row numbers, and choose Hide. If I want to get those rows back, I'll highlight rows 9 and 16, right-click, and unhide those rows. If I want to hide rows and columns, I'll select columns C, D and E, and right-click and hide those columns, and rows 10 to 15, and hide those rows. If I wish to quickly unhide all rows and columns, I'll click above row 1. There's a wee square here which enables me to select the entire sheet. If I then right-click any column letter or any row number, I can choose Unhide, and it will unhide all rows and all columns.